I got these shoes a while ago. They're the Dark Moon Slides by Killstar. Honestly, they're not that comfortable to walk in, so I've been wearing them with shoelaces tied around them to help keep them on my feet. This isn't really that comfortable either. The shoelaces are always moving around under the shoe, so I thought, why not just put holes in the platforms, and then I'll be able to thread the laces through and tie them like that. Plus they do look kind of boring at the minute, so hopefully it'll jazz them up a little bit. This is my dad's drill, so he's helping me out with this bit. Thanks, Dad. I've marked the spots where I want the holes to be, so he's just drilling through them now. Next, I got these eyelets from eBay. They're 8mm and they fit perfectly. I'll link them in the description if you want to check them out. They're just neaten up the overall appearance, you know, the edges look so much tidier now. I also decided to paint the rest of the platform with some stars to complement the moon feature. I'm using a stamp I made with silver acrylic paint to mark out the basic shapes, and then I'm filling them in with the same paint. I did the same design for both platforms with slightly different patterns, and I'm really pleased with how they turned out. Here's how they look. I bought a couple of pairs of fancy shoelaces as well, so comment down below which is your favourite. I can't decide at the minute, I like them both. I'll link them in the description as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.